Alright, this is another unboxing of a chainsaw that I bought off of eBay. Since I have these two, that's a 45cc chainsaw right here, and that's a 52cc chainsaw right there. This one said it's going to be a 62. Those other two are 22-inch bars. This is supposed to be a 20-inch bar, but I think I could just switch out those 22-inch bars with this one too. I think, you know, this said it was a 62cc. I'm looking at this right here, petrol chainsaw, 5200. Something ain't right, and we about to get our first rain in months. So anyway, let's see, let's take a look and see what's going on here. And see what we got. Alright. I gotta go see this rain, because we haven't had rain in a long time, and I hear rain. Oh my goodness, I feel it. I hear the thunder. They got some big drops falling, but it ain't enough of them. Come on, rain, come on. Come on now, I felt them. There's a big one. I hear the rain, okay. I hear it hitting the chicken coop roof. There it is. There it is. Finally. Finally rain. It's gonna take a lot of that though. It's gonna take a lot of that to undo what we've been having. Whew. That is nice. That is nice to see. That's there, for sure. So there it is. That's a piece of it right there. Oop. Right there. That's hell. Not big hell, but it's hell. Right, back to this. Back to the... Okay. Alright. So they showed on the website that they would send a bag for it, which I have no idea what kind of usefulness that'll be. Alright. The ball guard and a bar. Or a hose. It was pretty heavy. I got some grease there. I got a little hole of grease and all. Okay. Little tool kit. Everything that's supposed to go with it to put it together. Same old stuff everybody sees in all of the other ones. Alright, I got this. I don't like the way that is. I do it the old fashioned way, like I always done it with everything else. Okay, trash. There's the motor. There's the old chain. Oh, whoa, go! No, both of them are open. That looks stupid as I can ever think. So it has two chains. All chain, and they look decent enough, but what the heck in the world? I mean, spark plug cap, but I don't get it. Put one of these up. So it came with two chains. I'm gonna put this right up here where I had these other chains I bought. Take that off. Okay, it says 62 cc. You can see that has some play in it, but look for any apparent damage on this thing. I don't see any apparent damage. Oh, okay, yeah. So again, that chain tension is on the front. I bought one of them, the stock one has it, the chain tensioner right here, and this one has it here, but that would have been easy enough to put the, it don't matter though. So anyway, everything looks okay. Oil and all of that looks alright. As far as I can see on the outside, everything looks okay on the surface. They have the instructions here. Another one of those chainsaw brands. So nothing in here except for the same old stuff that they all come with. So 20 to 1 to start after 20 hours, 25 to 1. Alright. I like to open this up. Air filter. That appears to be the same air filter that was on the stock. Man. That's a little hard to get out because they why would they do that? This came cut. I don't get that. They cut this. Why would they cut this? They cut. Oh boy, 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 boy. That's amazing, huh? And these ain't on there tight at all either. Why would that come cut like that? I just took this out the box. And the spark plug wire, which obviously goes like this, and it was obviously cut on there, is cut. I mean, that is cut. Boy. Well, that's what you get for buying one of these, that's for sure. Okay. Let's see. I may be able to get that to stretch. I can't believe they did that. So, what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna see if it'll make it, but I doubt it. I might. Pull that out of there. The way they do these. Take the carburetor adjusting screwdriver. Pull that off of there. Pull that off of there. And the only way I can see to do this is stab that in there. Just the fact that I'd have to do this on a brand new machine sucks. Enormously. I do have it on, and that's close to that, so but we'll see. We shall see if that works out. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, shoot. I got it back on. What a piece of junk. This is a piece of junk here. Look how wiggly that handle is on there. So that is a piece of junk, actually. So I gotta try and see if I can get this on. Back how it's supposed to be. Get this to come around. Okay. Who knows if I... Alright. Alright, get this back on, see if that'll go back in there. Put the dog on. Put the dog on. That is not the best metal in the world. Kind of scared this thing's gonna fall apart right away. Alright. It's a little tight. It's a little tight, but it's not too bad. That's what I wanted. Alright, I got gas and oil in it. I had to take a phone call, so I had to kind of stop for a bit. But I put gas and oil in now. These caps are crap. And even the other saws I got were better. So you have to really be careful. The screw in part where the threads are very sharp, like razor sharp, and these are cheap caps. They don't fit near right, but I think I got them on as best they can go. So all there is now is to see if it starts with that short spark plug wire, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Pull the choke out, turn it up to on. So, alright. Alright. I was afraid of that. Alright. Alright. That ain't working. So, what I'm gonna do, I happen to have another ignition coil because I bought an extra. See something. I just want to see something real quick. I think. Okay, I think all right. So it won't start. All right. Get that stupid thing back in there. What a hunk of junk this is. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What did I do here? Oh, come on. Alright, this is the last time I'm trying this son of a bitch. So go. Well, no. It won't start. So well, that's the end of this one. I lost my whole day on it, my whole evening. Alright, the last of the cheap chainsaw saga is gonna end now. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to cut with this thing. I put the new ignition coil in there. I think I got all that out on video, but I suppose that the company, the person that sold it to me on eBay said that for the resolution for fixing this, they're gonna send me a new ignition coil, which I gladly accepted because I put my own ignition coil in here. I didn't think it was working, but I ended up getting it started, so let's just go ahead and see where we at with that. heavy stump. All right, so it cut. Look at the ants coming out of that thing. Dirt. I knew I was gonna hit a little dirt on this one, but I got these to do jobs that I needed to do around here, and this is one of them. I gotta cut that stump down because I need this to start riding closer to the ground, and it was in the way. Oh, that stuff was heavy. That's sassafras. Alright, things about this saw that I say I don't like at all. These caps, it's like razors, the threads on those, and it kind of, you got to take your sweet time in dealing with them when you take them off, put them on. It might change over time, but however long this thing lasts, I don't know. That's gonna be the question, how long it lasts. Anyway, that's the last of these cheap chainsaws I'm gonna get and put on here. I got 3 of them. This one definitely has more power. It's a 62cc, it says, but it definitely has more power than the other ones, and it went through that pretty easily. It sliced through that stump pretty easily. So the other 2 I got, one's a 52cc and the other one's a 45cc, and they seem to do, the other 2, the 52 and the 45cc seem to do what they need to do. So if they last me for however long, I'm happy with that. But that's the other 2. This one right here, the 52cc, the pull rope broke and I had to kind of rig that on there. But it runs, this one runs probably, I don't know, it runs well. That one right there, I had to change the ignition coil already in it, and the Stark one, and that ignition coil was not a big deal to change, but I put it back together and the on off switch don't work right, so I just pull a choke to stop it. But whatever you gotta do. Anyway, that's it. I'm out.